Meralco Bolts secured the first EASL win for a PBA team this season with a dramatic victory in overtime over Japanese champions Ryukyu Golden Kings on Wednesday night. Meralco beat Ryukyu 97-88 in overtime, after the teams finished the fourth quarter all square on 80 points. The game was played at the Studio City Resort in Macau under a special partnership between EASL and resort operator Meralco Resorts and Entertainment. The Meralco Bolts come away with an overtime thriller over the Ryukyu Golden Kings Wednesday, becoming the first PBA team to win an EASL since TNT Tropang Giga did it in the 2019 Terrific 12. Meralco and TNT came into the game with a combined 0-6 record. Crowds flocked center court post-game after the final whistle sounded to celebrate this feat. With just over 10 seconds to go in the game, Meralco down 4, Chris Banchero finds Chris Newsom in the corner to knock down the corner 3 while drawing the foul. Newsom would complete the 4-point play to send the game into overtime. In the extra frame, Newsom scored 6 of the Bolts' 17 points, securing the victory over the B.League champions. Golden Kings forward Vic Law played his first EASL game since October after missing 5 weeks with a knee injury. The former Orlando Magic swingman was admirable in his return, recording a team-high 27 points in a losing effort. This was his first 20-point game since October 15 in the team's victory against Sun Rockers Shibuya in the B.League. Chris Newsom came in clutch for the Bolts late in the game, hitting a crucial 4-point play to send the contest into overtime. Newsom then scored 6 points of Meralco's 17 points in the extra frame to give his team the first EASL from a PBA side. He finished the game with 27 points.